Chapter 1. The New Start. Kai had just moved to the countryside to start fresh. City life was too loud, too crowded, and full of pain. As an Omega, he had always been careful, too much careful. People judged him. Some alphas only wanted him for his scent, not for who he was. This small town, with its peaceful field and quiet nights, felt different until he met Rivan. Rivan was tall, broad shouldered, with sharp eyes that softened when he looked at Kai. He was the type of alpha who didn't talk much, but his actions spoke louder than any words. The first time they met, Rivan helped Kai carry heavy boxes into his new cottage. You shouldn't lift things like that alone, Rivan said, voice deep but calm. Kai blushed. I I am used to doing things alone. Rivan just smiled and said, not anymore. Chapter 2. The Scent of Heat. Week passed. Rivan would visit often, bringing fresh vegetables, fixing small things in the cottage, and sometimes just sitting quietly with Kai on the porch. The silence between them never felt awkward. But one night, under the full moon, something changed. Kai's he'd come earlier. He tried to stay calm, locking his doors, hiding away, but his scent was strong, too strong. And Rivan, who lived just across the field, caused it. He knocked. Kai. His voice was tight. I know you are in heat. I can help if you want me to. Kai hesitated. His body was ached with need, but his heart ached more. He didn't want to be just another Omega, taken because of heat. I don't want it to be just about that, Kai whispered. Rivan stepped back. Even though his own scent was heavy with desire, he said, then I will wait. I want you, not just your scent. When you are ready, I will be here. Chapter 3. First Touch. Days later, after the heat had passed, Kai went to Rivan's house. He stood at the door, hand shaking. I am ready, not because of the heat, but because I trust you. Rivan pulled him close, slow and careful. Their lips met in a kiss that was soft and warm, like home. Their first night together was not wild. It was gentle, loving, and deep. They touched like they were learning each other, not just bodies, but heart. Kai softly whispered Rian's name over and over. It wasn't just heat, it was something more. Every kiss, every touch, every breath they shared, falling into safe place. They moved together in rhythm, slow and warm. Kai trembled under him, not from fear but from emotions. He cried, but this time from joy. Chapter 4. The Bond. Morning light spilled into the room. Rivan held Kai close, rubbing slow circle on his back. Are you okay? He asked. Kai nodded. I feel full, not just in body but in heart. Rivan smiled and kissed his forehead. I want to bond with you forever, only if you want it. Kai looked into his eyes. I do. Mark me, be mine. Their bond was more than a bite. It was soul deep. Rivan marked Kai gently, and Kai marked him back, claiming his alpha. From that day on, they were partners in everything. Rivan planted flowers around Kai's house. Kai made warm meals and wrapped Rivan in soft hugs. They laughed, cried, fought sometime, but they always made up because love, real love, was not perfect, but it was worth everything.